Guys, overall, I'm pretty sorry that I didn't get to film me putting the gasket set in the Cub Cadet here, except for the fact that I got it done. It's all back together, and really all I did to this thing was I took the engine out, got it out finally, put it over on my workbench, flipped it over, took the bottom sump case off, scraped the gasket off, and cleaned out the gunk in the pan and stuff, and then cleaned the pan with some diesel fuel. That's why it's so clean right there. And then, I put it back together, and the muffler that went onto this thing is now non-existent. So you know what that means. It's actually straight piped now. So this thing is actually straight piped. So I'm working on a little support here to mount it, or to keep the pipe from going back and forth. So whenever I was taking the engine out of this thing, one thing that you guys noticed, or probably just found out here, was that the deck, I told you guys that the deck adjustment stopped working. So yeah, I just threw a piece of rope on there. Sorry for the noise in the background. My dad's on the tractor, so. But anyway, we're gonna get this thing fired up, and I am super excited. First things first, the oil's good, so we're gonna turn the fuel on, and then yeah. Okay guys, so this thing is outside in the bright sun after about 2.5 weeks. It's back out here. So a few things that I did to it while I had it apart was I painted the foot pads with a little bit of cat yellow spray paint. So they're looking a little nicer now. Less rust on there. And I have the gas on, and let's give this thing a shoot. Okay, so we're gonna try and fire it up. Well, that's pretty loud. guys are gonna love me for this one. Gonna go down to the end of the road. Oh shoot, brake. Well, there's a video of this thing straight piped. Hope you like it. So, well, I may regret this in the future, but I think overall it's pretty sweet. I like it. Well, guys, I still have to get this deck adjustment lever fixed so it will latch, because it doesn't do that now, and I don't think it's supposed to. I do not think it's supposed to do that. Well, I'm gonna have to pull it in the shop one of these other days and fix that. So, well, for now, we'll just have that rope on there. And the John Deere push mower is done. And yeah, bye guys.